Welcome to this lecture video. In this class, we are going to discuss about the virtual machine. In the unit 2, we are having the virtualization. The cloud computing, we are started with the introduction and cloud types. What are the cloud service providers? In that, we have virtualization and have scheduling. How scheduling works in the cloud computing, right? So we have to know what is virtualization. In the previous class, we have discussed virtualization and virtualization techniques. Here, this is a virtual machine migration or techniques used in the cloud computing. Let's see what is virtual machine migration and what is virtualization here. So there are generally we all know migration is moving from one place to another place, right? So for that we need the CPU and other. Generally virtualization is nothing but we using the virtual machine in the virtual. The system will be somewhere else. It will be used by the user by the any other place. So virtually the hardware, physical system hardware will be used by the users in some other places. Like mobile screening, in your watching any movie in your mobile, you can able to screen in the TV, right? Television, and also in the some other any other two or more devices. Virtually, we can add the devices. So like that, we can virtualization will post the main source video or source file to the another display. So like that, virtualization in the virtualization concept, the migration plays a vital role. So moving the one physical OS hardware to migrated to the some other devices. So migration can be the two parts generally. So there is a power off and power on mode will be using here. So in that we have live and non-live virtual machine migrations available in the migration here. So virtual machine migration is nothing but it's a transfer of sources codes to destination codes. There might be a source and a destination. Whatever the file or whatever the usage in the source codes will be transferred to the destination codes. So here non-live or offline virtual machine migration plays an important role. Here it will transfer whatever the files or the state of source to the destination in the offline mode. That is the major first type we are going to see here in the virtual machine migration. The second thing is the live virtual machine migration. So live virtual machine migration is the while the system is on mode, there might be a suppose the power failure happens or any other things happen. Whenever the system in the current live, whenever the source to destination, the file of source of packets will be transferred to the destination. That time live virtual machine having the different metrics will be followed. So that may be here preparation time, resume time, what are the pages transferred, etc. So total migration time will be given here. So this we call it as live virtual machine migration. So totally the non-live and also called as offline virtual migration. Live is switch on or power on, while the, for example, scheduling any packets of task, n number of tasks in the CPU. In the operating system, we are the basic concept of operating system plays a vital role in the cloud computing also. Why? Because the schedule the task one by one. The task will be scheduled one after one to the scheduler. Then the scheduler will allot the process to the CPU. So for that, the virtualization, the cloud computing, we need this virtualization concept and the scheduling concept working here. So in that virtualization, we have virtualization migration. The migration means we are using any other different kind of OS or hardware in a single time. That kind of code will be used here. Next slide. So in this have the pre-copy migration or post-copy migration, hybrid virtual migration will be the different types of migration using in the live virtual machine migration. Then this is about pre-copy migration here. So when the pre-copy migration, we have follow this kind of structure technique. The next post-copy will have the, suppose we are transferring and running the file, it will capture and again it will be received by the sender server. There will be a server, there will be a receiver and sender. It will be post-copy migration, follow this technique. Next is the hybrid virtual migration. This is the pre-copy and post-copy, both integration we call that hybrid migration. The next is about the comparison of both pre-copy, post-copy. This combination of two things will have hybrid migration. So this is about the virtual migration used in the virtualization. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.